Hello, in this video we're gonna check if a Realme GT Neo 3 has a dual SIM slot. So in order to do this, we'll need to locate the SIM card slot first, and it should be located somewhere around the side. It's at the bottom right here. Now let's take a needle that should be included in your box and stick it in this gap right here, and don't mistake this one because that's a microphone and you can break it, so put it right here. Now it's opened, we can take it out. Let's see, here's the one slot and there should be second at the bottom, so this means the phone has dual SIM slot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.